So what is a variable? In data, we have option to make a variable, and I just created one. But here, let's start a new project. So you see nothing initially. And all right, so nothing's here initially. So I want to make a variable. Why? A variable is a placeholder. It's like a mnemonic. You could use numbers, like, let's say I wanted to say 10, but sometimes it might be easier to remember like the word sum, or in math, we have X and Y. Sometimes you want to actually use a variable, or you're referring to something a few times. So I'm going to create a variable, and I'm going to call it n. I can make it local for the sprite only, or global for all sprites. Let's say I just check just the sprite. Okay, now here you can see my n. So I'm going to start a program. When the flag is clicked, here's what I want to do. I want to do something in a loop. Where's my loops control? And I want to do something 10 times, but I want to use my variable. I don't want to say 10. So I want to set n to 10. So it's my variable is now n. And now I can drag my little n here. So now, instead of saying 10 times, I can use n. And if I want to change n to 5, I could change it to 5. I would do 5 times. We're going to try it. What do I want to do? I want to do something fun. I want to play music. I'm really not musical, but let's pretend I am. Okay, I'm going to play the drums. So we hit the flag. We have our 10 beats. If I want to change it to 5, and then run it again, now it does 5 times. Now, what's nice about this is, let's say I really was musical and I had a lot of different loops and beats and things going on. Now, the nice part about having n is I can just change it once. Instead of having to go here and say, oh, instead of doing 10 all the time, I want to do 5 all the time, then I can just change it in one place. So variables are convenient because you can refer to it by its mnemonic, and also you can use it again in multiple places, and you don't have to go back to each of them. So variables will come in handy. We'll continue to see them, and they're really, really important programming tools. And here you can see in Scratch how we used a little bit how we went to data and how we used a variable.